We're going to get ready and make a gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, keto-friendly, vegetarian, vegan, totally allergy-friendly cauliflower steaks. That sound good to you? Let's get cooking. Okay, so we've got one medium large size cauliflower head, and what we're going to do is just cut the green parts off. You will have some of the little florets fall off with it. Yes, and I'm throwing it everywhere. You will get 3 steaks per head, so that's how you can determine what you need. I'm trying really hard to keep as much of the white on there as possible and get the stems off. Okay, and I'm going to set this aside, and you see these parts, these florets right here. Go ahead and keep those. I've got a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, so just go ahead and put those on there too, and then you can serve those with the steaks. I don't like to waste anything. See, and that's about the size you want them. And then we're going to leave this one this size. Okay, throw the other florets on here. Let me clean this mess up and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the oven preheated to 425 degrees. And what we're going to do is spray this all with some olive oil spray. And you want a good coating on it, on there. Now, for seasonings, I'm going to use this umami seasoning I found. Let me see if I can get it up there. And it's got, it's savory seasons with onions, mushrooms, pepper, and spices. You can use a steak seasoning if you would like. Salt and pepper is fine. Seasoned salt, whatever you would like to season it with is what you need to season it with. And we're going to put a good coating on it. And we're going to bake this for 15 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and turn them over. Okay, here are our cauliflower steaks. They've been baking for 15 minutes. So we're going to it's hot now, y'all. It's 425 degrees. And flip it over. Be very gentle because they will break apart, and this extra that's on the outside will come on off. We're just going to kind of see, they fall apart real easy, so be careful with your steaks. And now we're going to spray this side down with our olive oil spray. And then we're going to put our seasoning on it just like we did the first time. Okay, and then we're going to put them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And we will be back then. Okay, so these have been cooking for a total of 30 minutes, 15 minutes on each side. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you how tender they are. And they are very delicious. I'm not going to put that in my mouth right now because it is scorching hot. But these are your cauliflower steaks. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll get a plate together and show it to you now. Now I can taste it. And it is delicious. It is really good. I love cauliflower anyway. But there's your cauliflower steaks. And again, it's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, egg-free, nut-free. And you use any butter. It's keto-friendly. And it's a very good, healthy supper. So I hope you've enjoyed it.